Want to live a longer, healthier life? It starts with what's on your plate. Science shows that diet plays a crucial role in longevity. And today, I'm revealing Mika's top 5 diet secrets for a longer life. These are backed by science and inspired by the world's longest living populations. Plus, I'll share smart health tech tools to help track and optimize your nutrition. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal a common health food that could actually shorten your lifespan. What do the world's longest living people eat? Key longevity nutrients. Antioxidants protect cells from aging and disease. Healthy fats, omega-3s, reduce inflammation and heart disease risk. Plant-based protein supports cell repair and longevity. Fiber and prebiotics feed gut bacteria for overall health. Comment below. Have you ever tried a longevity-focused diet? Number 1. Eat more whole, plant-based foods. Why? Blue Zone communities eat 95% plant-based, rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. What to eat? Beans, lentils, leafy greens, and colorful vegetables. Tech tip: apps like Chronometer track your nutrient intake and help balance your diet. Like this video if you want to eat more plant-based meals. Number 2. Embrace healthy fats and omega-3s. Why? Omega-3s reduce inflammation, support brain health, and lower disease risk. What to eat? Fatty fish, walnuts, chia seeds, and extra virgin olive oil. Smart tip: wearable health trackers like Lumen analyze metabolism and tell you if you're burning carbs or fat efficiently. Comment below. What's your favorite source of healthy fats? Number 3. Reduce processed sugar and refined carbs. Why? High sugar intake increases inflammation and accelerates aging. What to do? Swap refined grains for whole grains and use natural sweeteners like honey or dates. Tech tip: AI-powered meal planners like Nutrino suggest low-sugar meal options tailored to your health goals. Like this video if you're cutting back on sugar. Number 4. Intermittent fasting and time-restricted eating. Why? Studies show fasting activates longevity genes and improves cell repair. How to start? Try 16:8 fasting. Fast for 16 hours, eat within 8 hours. Tech tip: apps like Zero help track fasting and sync with wearable health devices. Comment below. Have you tried intermittent fasting before? Number 5. Prioritize hydration and herbal teas. Why? Hydration boosts energy, brain function, and detoxifies the body. What to drink? Green tea, turmeric tea, or water infused with lemon and mint. Smart reminder: use hydration tracking apps like Waterminder to stay on top of your daily water intake. Like this video if you're committing to better hydration. The number 1 mistake: overeating ultra-processed foods. Highly processed foods increase inflammation, obesity, and chronic disease risks. Solution: cook more meals at home to control ingredients. Read labels and avoid additives, preservatives, and artificial sweeteners. Use meal planning tech like Eat This Much for whole food-based recipes. Pro tip: scan food labels using Yuka app to detect unhealthy additives in products. Like this video if you're choosing real, whole foods. Which of Mika's diet secrets will you try first? Drop a comment below. Want more longevity and health tips? Like this video if you found these tips helpful. Subscribe for weekly health and tech content. Share this with someone who wants to live a longer, healthier life. Thanks for watching. Check out these videos for more nutrition and longevity secrets. And I'll see you next time on Health and Tech TV.